Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by isolating power and documenting the problem so you avoid surprises. First, turn off the correct breaker and label each cable and connector. This protects components and you. Next, take photos and measure the media wall opening so repairs fit precisely. Once done, collect tools and parts, drill, stud finder, level 1/4 screws, patch supplies, and set a small parts tray. Make sure to work methodically. This prevents repeated disassembly and saves time. You now tackle the core repair. Restore structure and secure wiring. Start by cutting back to sound framing and remove any compromised drywall or loose materials. This creates a reliable substrate. Then install blocking or plywood patches, screwing them to studs with 2 to 3 fasteners, each so the TV mount and shelves anchor solidly. Reroute and clamp cables into protected runs, using grommets where they pass through wood. Once the frame is true and cables tidy, the surface prep and finish work will go smoothly. You complete the job by finishing surfaces and reassembling equipment. Patch the drywall, sand smooth, prime and paint using feathering strokes to blend seams, allow recommended dry times. Then reinstall the mounting bracket and electronics, torquing fasteners to the manufacturer's spec and confirming level and clearance. Power up and methodically test each input, audio channel, and remote function. If something fails, start troubleshooting by checking labeled connections, verifying powered outlets and breakers, and swapping a known good cable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.